There you go, Bray.
Good job. Learn how to put those feet down. Look straight. Look straight. There you go. There you go. Put the throttle down. You're good. You're good. Put the throttle. It's the throttle. Use the throttle. All right, go for it. Keep it down, good job, good job. Put the throttle. Use the throttle, that's what it's for. Keep going. It's a battery charger.
What do you have to say, Bray? How was your ride? Huh?
Would you like William to try it? Can William try it? All right, get up, try it. Here's a